Are you getting ready for your U.S. citizenship interview? Nervous about what to expect? Don't worry, you're in the right place. In this video, you'll watch a realistic mock interview, covering every part of the N-400 naturalization process, including personal questions, English reading and writing, civics test, and tips for what to say and what not to say. This is a complete walkthrough based on real USCIS interviews, so you can feel confident and fully prepared for the big day. So watch till the end, and if you find this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with more real interview samples and US citizenship tips. Let's begin the mock interview.
Sophia Muller?
Yes, that's me.
Hi, I am Officer Mike, and I will be conducting your naturalization interview today. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Please follow me. Please place your belongings next to your chair and remain standing. Before we begin the interview, I'll need to place you under oath. Please raise your right hand.
Sure.
Do you promise to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
You can put down your hand and take a seat.
Thank you.
Do you know what you just promised?
Yes. I promise to tell the truth.
Do you know how to use a tablet?
Yes. I'm familiar with it.
If you don't know how to use it, just ask me.
Thank you.
Okay. Why do you want to be an American citizen?
I would like to vote and fully participate in American society. I also believe in the principles of freedom and democracy.
How did you come here today?
My brother drove me here.
Where is your brother now?
He's in the waiting room.
Okay. Can you show me your green card, passport, and state-issued ID, please?
Sure. Here they are.
Thank you. Have you been feeling anxious about this interview?
Yes. I'm a little nervous.
That's completely normal. Just take a deep breath and you'll do great.
Thank you.
Do you have any questions before we start?
Yes. I made an update to my address since I submitted my application. Should I mention it now?
Not now. Thanks for letting me know. We will go over the application, and when we get to that part, you can provide the updated address.
Thank you.
Have you been waiting a long time to talk to me?
No, I haven't been waiting for long.
Now I will review your application to make sure everything is correct.
Okay.
What is your country of origin?
Switzerland.
What is your country of citizenship?
Switzerland.
Are you a citizen of any other country?
No.
Do you have a physical or mental condition that prevents you from demonstrating your knowledge of the English language or civics requirements?
No.
Please tell me your full name.
Sophia Muller.
What is your given name?
Sophia.
Please spell your given name.
Sofia.
Do you have any other names or nicknames?
No, I don't.
Okay. On the application, you've mentioned that you don't want to change your name. Is that correct?
Yes, that's correct.
What is the name on your permanent resident card?
Sophia A. Muller.
What is your social security number?
312-57-89-21.
What is your basic eligibility to become a U.S. citizen?
I've been a lawful permanent resident for over 5 years.
When did you become a lawful permanent resident?
April 15, 2019.
Did you get your green card through marriage?
No, I did not.
Who was the sponsor for your green card?
My brother.
Okay. What is your date of birth?
January 18, 1991.
What is your weight?
145 pounds.
What race do you identify with?
White.
What color are your eyes?
Black.
How tall are you?
5 feet 6 inches.
What's your hair color?
Black.
What is your current mailing address?
2489 Pinecrest Avenue, Orlando, Florida 32805.
Have you lived at this address for the last 5 years?
No. I lived in Tampa before moving here. I forgot to update that on my application. Can I give you the updated address?
Sure. Please tell me that.
9812 Lakeview Drive, Tampa, Florida 33619.
Thank you. I will make that change now. What is your current physical address?
2489 Pinecrest Avenue, Orlando, Florida 32805.
Okay. What is your current marital status?
I am married.
Is your spouse a U.S. citizen?
No.
Can you show me your marriage certificate?
Yes. Here it is.
Thank you. How many times have you been married?
Once.
Do you have any children with your current spouse?
Yes, I have 2 children.
Are your children biological to you?
Yes, they are.
Please show me your children's birth certificates.
Sure. Here they are.
Thank you. Do you have any adopted children?
No.
Do you currently have a job?
Yes. I work as a registered nurse.
How long have you worked there?
I've been working in a hospital for about 4 years.
Can you describe a typical day at your job?
Sure. My daily responsibilities include caring for patients, administering medications, monitoring vital signs, and supporting doctors during procedures.
Do you see yourself continuing in healthcare for the long term?
Yes. I plan to continue working in healthcare long term. It provides stability, and I love serving the community.
Do you work full-time or part-time?
I work full-time.
Are you involved in any extracurricular activities at work?
Yes. I have taken part in hospital community outreach programs, such as free health screening.
How did you decide to become a nurse?
I've always been motivated to help people. And nursing allows me to make a direct impact on people's health and well-being.
Has your job ever required you to travel?
Yes. I've attended several medical training workshops and conferences in different states to improve my skills.
What kind of benefits does your job offer?
My hospital provides health insurance, paid time off, and retirement plans.
What do you enjoy most about your job?
It's challenging, but I find it deeply rewarding.
What challenges do you face in your work?
Sometimes it's stressful during emergencies, or when the hospital is short-staffed. But teamwork helps us manage those situations.
Have you ever considered changing careers?
Yes. I've thought about it, but I enjoy nursing, especially helping people.
What did you do before becoming a nurse?
I worked as a nursing assistant while completing my certification.
Okay. Have you traveled outside the United States in the last 5 years?
Yes.
How many trips have you taken outside of the U.S. in the past 5 years?
I've taken 5 trips in total.
Did you have any trips since you applied for naturalization?
No.
Did any of your trips last 6 months or longer?
Yes. One of them.
Can you tell me more about that trip?
Sure. I went back to Switzerland in 2019 to care for my mother during a health crisis. The situation was worsened by the pandemic, and I stayed for 8 months to support her.
When did you return to the U.S.?
I came back in February 2020.
When was your last trip outside of the United States?
February 12, 2024.
Where did you go?
I went to visit my family in Switzerland.
Have you always filed your taxes since becoming a permanent resident?
Yes, I have.
Can I see your tax return transcripts for the last 5 years?
Sure. Here they are.
Thank you. Have you ever been married to more than one person at once?
No, officer.
Have you ever been arrested, cited, detained, or confined?
No. I have never been arrested.
Do you owe any debts to the government like student loans or federal fines?
No.
Have you ever knowingly submitted false information on an official form?
No. Never.
Have you ever been denied a visa or entry to another country?
No.
Do you owe any overdue taxes?
No, officer.
What are overdue taxes?
Taxes not paid on time.
Have you ever committed a crime or broken the law but not been arrested?
No. I have never committed a crime or broken the law.
What is commit a crime?
Do something illegal.
Have you ever traveled to a country with travel restrictions or advisory warnings?
No.
Have you ever helped someone immigrate to the U.S. illegally or provide false documentation?
No. Never.
During your travels, have you ever experienced legal issues abroad, such as fines or detentions?
No. Never.
Have you ever been involved in any fraud, scams, or financial misconduct?
No.
Have you ever claimed to be a U.S. citizen in writing or any other way?
No, I haven't.
Have you ever served in the military or police of another country?
No. I have never served in the military or police of another country.
Was one of your parents a U.S. citizen before your 18th birthday?
No.
Have you ever committed any crime in the U.S. or abroad?
No.
Have you ever received public assistance or government benefits?
No, officer.
Have you ever received public assistance that you were not entitled to?
No.
Have you ever been involved in any civil lawsuits or legal disputes?
No, officer.
Have you ever falsified educational or professional credentials?
No.
Have you ever been convicted of a crime or offense?
No. I have never been convicted of a crime or offense.
What is convicted?
Found guilty in court.
Have you ever intentionally avoided paying debts or financial obligations?
No, never.
Have you ever arrested in your home country or any other country outside the United States?
No, never.
During any of your trips abroad, did you ever engage in illegal activities?
No, officer.
All right. We'll now move on to the civics test. This part is about U.S. history, government, and some important principles of our Constitution. I'll ask you up to 10 questions, and you need to answer at least 6 correctly to pass. Please answer as clearly as you can. If you do not understand a question, tell me, and I will repeat or explain it. Do you have any questions before we start?
No, thank you.
Are you ready to begin?
Yes, I am ready.
Okay. Please listen carefully to each question. What was one important thing that Abraham Lincoln did?
Freed the slaves.
What did Susan B. Anthony do?
Fought for women's rights.
How many amendments does Constitution have?
27.
What ocean is on the east coast of the United States?
Atlantic Ocean.
What is one promise you make when you become a United States citizen?
Obey the laws of the United States.
What are the 2 parts of the U.S. Congress?
The Senate and House of Representatives.
What are 2 rights of everyone living in the United States?
Freedom of religion. Freedom of speech.
When is the last day you can send in federal income tax forms?
April 15th.
What are 2 ways that Americans can participate in their democracy?
Vote. Join a political party.
How old do citizens have to be to vote for president?
18 and older.
Great! You have passed the civics test.
Thank you.
Now I am going to ask you some questions about your background, organizations, and personal history to know your moral character. These questions are very important because they help us determine your eligibility for U.S. citizenship. It is important that you answer honestly. Some of these questions may be about crimes, taxes, or organizations. Even if your answer is yes, it does not always mean you cannot become a citizen. But I need you to tell the truth. Remember, you are under oath. So, everything you say must be true. Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
If you don't understand a question, please let me know, and I'll explain that. Okay?
Okay.
Have you ever received weapons or military training?
No, officer.
Have you ever been charged with a crime?
No.
Have you ever been on probation, parole, or had a suspended sentence?
No, officer.
Have you ever been a habitual drunkard?
No. I have never been a habitual drunkard.
Have you ever given false papers to U.S. officials?
No. Never.
Have you ever lied to any U.S. government official to enter the United States?
No. Never.
Have you ever helped someone to enter the U.S. illegally?
No. I have never helped anyone to enter the U.S. illegally.
Have you ever helped a group that used weapons?
No.
Have you ever lied to get public benefits?
No. Never.
Have you ever gambled illegally or got money from it?
No.
Have you ever tried to overthrow the U.S. government by unconstitutional means?
No. Never.
Have you ever been a member of any terrorist organization?
No. Never.
Have you ever committed domestic violence, sexual assault, or child abuse?
No. Never.
Have you ever taken part in genocide?
No, officer.
Have you ever been involved in illegal drugs, like selling, smuggling, or using?
No. Never.
Have you ever married someone only to get immigration benefits?
No. I have never married someone just to get an immigration benefit.
What is immigration benefit?
Legal status or right from immigration.
Have you ever committed assault?
No.
Have you ever worked in a prison or detention place?
No, officer.
Have you ever stopped someone from practicing religion?
No.
Have you ever falsely claimed to be a U.S. citizen?
No. Never.
Have you ever supported a group using weapons or explosives?
No.
Have you ever registered or voted in U.S. elections?
No.
What is registered to vote?
Signed up to vote.
Have you ever seriously injured or tried to injure anyone?
No.
Have you ever been placed in jail or prison?
No. I have never been in jail or prison.
Have you ever given false or misleading information to any U.S. government official while applying for an immigration benefit?
No. Never.
Have you ever failed to pay your taxes?
No. Never.
Have you ever taken part in torture?
No.
Have you ever killed or tried to kill anyone?
No.
Have you ever supported a dictatorship in the U.S. or your home country?
No.
If required, will you do work of national importance under civilian direction?
Yes.
What is work of national importance?
Important work for the country.
Do you support the U.S. Constitution and government?
Yes, I do.
Do you understand the oath of allegiance?
Yes, I understand.
What is oath of allegiance?
Promise to be loyal to U.S.
Are you willing to take the oath of allegiance?
Yes.
If required, will you do non-combatant services in the military?
Yes.
Are you unable to take the oath because of disability or mental condition?
No, officer.
If required, will you bear arms for the U.S.?
Yes.
What is bear arms?
Carry and use weapons.
Thank you for answering honestly. All your answers show good moral character. This is very important for U.S. citizenship.
Thank you, officer.
Have you ever received a formal warning or probation from a court or law enforcement agency?
No, officer.
Have you ever overstayed outside the United States?
No.
Have you ever signed any contracts in the U.S. that caused problems later?
No.
Have you ever been involved in any traffic accidents where someone was injured?
No.
Have you ever served in the military of a foreign country?
No.
Next, we will begin the reading and writing portion of your naturalization test. This part checks your ability to read and write in English. For the reading test, I will show you a few sentences, and you will need to read them aloud correctly. For the writing test, I will ask you to write a few sentences that I dictate to you. You need to read and write each sentence accurately. If you make a mistake, I will give you another chance. Do you understand what you will need to do?
Yes, I understand.
Are you ready to begin?
Yes. I am ready.
Okay. Please read the sentence on the tablet.
Where do senators meet?
Great job. You have passed your reading test.
Thank you, officer.
Now we're going to move on to the writing portion. Please write this sentence. Senators meet in Congress. Excellent! You have successfully passed both the reading and writing portions of the test.
Thank you so much.
Let's go over a few more questions to know about your moral character. Have you ever failed to pay taxes or filed late intentionally?
No, officer.
Have you ever lied to avoid military service or public duty?
No.
Have you ever assisted anyone trying to overthrow any government in the United States or your home country?
No. Never.
Have you ever been involved in identity theft or cybercrime?
No.
Have you ever lied on any immigration application?
No. Never.
Have you ever used false documents for employment, school, or immigration purposes?
No. Never.
Have you ever been involved in any organizations or groups that advocate violence or discrimination?
Absolutely not.
Have you ever failed to report an incident that should have been reported?
No.
Have you ever been involved in prostitution, human trafficking, or sexual offenses?
No. Never.
Have you ever assisted someone in avoiding law enforcement?
No.
Now we will discuss some complex situations to assess your moral character and attachment to the U.S. Have you ever committed domestic violence, abuse, or neglect?
No, officer.
During your travels abroad, have you ever been detained, questioned, or fined by foreign authorities?
No. Never.
Have you ever failed to attend a court hearing or immigration appointment without a valid reason?
No.
Have you ever had conflicts with neighbors, co-workers, or family that escalated to law enforcement involvement?
No, officer.
Have you ever signed legal documents or contracts in another country while being a U.S. permanent resident?
No.
Have you ever financially supported a family member living abroad?
Yes.
Have you ever helped someone legally immigrate to the U.S.?
No.
Do you have any pending police case in your home country or any other country in the world?
No.
Have you ever had a family member visit you from abroad for an extended period?
No.
Have you ever faced discrimination or harassment?
No.
Have you ever acted as a guarantor for anyone who violated U.S. laws?
No. Never.
Have you ever faced legal issues with property or tenants?
No, officer.
Have you ever encountered situations that required reporting to law enforcement abroad?
No.
Have you ever helped someone commit fraud or misrepresentation in any official process?
No. Never.
Have you ever failed to support your children or spouse financially?
No. I always provide support.
Have you ever given false or misleading information to any U.S. government official while applying for an immigration benefit or any other official matter?
No. I've always been truthful.
Have you ever experienced an emergency abroad that required contacting U.S. authorities?
No.
Have you ever sponsored any relatives for immigration to the United States?
Yes.
Do you provide financial support to any relatives outside the U.S?
Yes.
Do you understand that good moral character is required to become a U.S. citizen?
Yes. I understand.
Do you volunteer in your community?
Yes.
Have you ever been called for jury duty?
Not yet.
Did you register with the Selective Service, if required?
Yes.
Do you believe you meet that standard of moral character?
Yes, I do.
Do you promise that everything you said is true?
Yes, I promise.
Do you understand your responsibilities as a U.S. citizen, paying taxes, following laws, serving on a jury if called, and supporting your family?
Yes, I do.
Do you consider yourself a responsible and law-abiding person?
Yes, I do.
Do you respect and obey the laws of the United States?
Yes, I do.
Do you believe in equal rights and opportunities for all people, regardless of race, religion, or gender?
Yes, absolutely.
Do you contribute to your community in any way outside of work?
Yes. I volunteer at local health fairs and participate in neighborhood cleanup events.
Do you confirm all your answers today are true and complete?
Yes, I confirm.
All right. I've updated some of the sections. Please make sure to review all your answers and confirm they are accurate, then sign and date at the bottom.
Sure. Okay. Everything looks good.
Congratulations. You've completed the interview. I will submit your application for approval.
Thank you so much.
Do you have any question for me at this point?
Yes. Can you please let me have an idea of how long it will take to receive the oath ceremony notice?
It should be in a few weeks. Hopefully, you'll hear soon. Anything else?
No, thank you. I'm so happy. Thank you so much.
You are welcome. Let me walk you out. Have a great day.
Thank you so much.